Alright guys, Brian here with ResRemover. I told myself I would be making more videos for you guys to see on Instagram. I wanted to start with a cleaning of this piece right here. As you can see, it's pretty nasty. So I took this bag, already filled it up with 16 ounces of hot water. And we're just going to fill it right from the top. You're going to want to cap it so it doesn't overflow. I found these on Amazon. They're little finger gloves. Resolution makes caps. They're really good. We're working on a cap of our own. In the meantime, you can buy these gloves. They cost, I don't know, a penny, something like that. And they work perfectly to keep out the liquid. So now we're just going to let this soak. We got it pretty much filled to the brim. And we'll come back tomorrow and see how well it does.